Hello, I'm Tammy Moats. I'm the Everett Pre-K Counts teacher for the Learning Lamp. Today I'm going to read the nursery rhyme Humpty Dumpty. Nursery rhymes are a great item to read and sing with children. They teach a lot of phonological skills to them, which helps their reading in the future. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. For our activity to go along with Humpty Dumpty, I thought you could build a wall using boxes from your house or maybe some of your children's blocks. And then they can take an egg from your refrigerator, and you'll need a bowl to catch Humpty Dumpty, of course. As you're singing the nursery rhyme with your children, allow them to drop Humpty into the bowl so that he can have a great fall. After Humpty has fallen, you can take out the eggshells and then you can make some scrambled eggs in your microwave. The recipe is 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. You beat that together and then you can microwave on high for 45 seconds. Take it out of the microwave, stir it again, and then microwave again for another 30 to 45 seconds. Before watching the additional links that I'm going to provide with songs about Humpty Dumpty, I'd like you to ask your children ways that they could try and put Humpty Dumpty together. Let them come up with a list of things they could do to put him back together before you sing the songs with them that you'll find online. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.